Welcome to Learning with UNP. In this session of Business Intelligence with Power BI, we are going to explore the Power BI Desktop Graphical User Interface or GUI. That includes understanding about exploring the main interface and finally understanding the key tabs. Here we have Power BI Desktop, a powerful tool for creating interactive reports and visualizations. Let's start by getting familiar with its main interface. Up here at the top, you'll see the ribbon. This is where all the main tabs are there, such as Home, Insert, Modeling, View, Optimize, and Help. Each tab has different tools and options that help you work with your data. Let's understand each key tab in the ribbon. First comes Home tab. This is where you'll find basic tools for working with your data and formatting your report. Second comes Insert tab. Over here, you can add new elements to your report like charts, shapes, and text boxes. Third comes Modeling tab. This tab lets you manage relationships between tables and create calculated columns and measures. Fourth comes View tab. This tab is used to change how your report looks, including themes and layouts. Fifth comes Optimize tab. It is used to improve report authoring performance by pausing data source queries when adding or changing visuals on the report surface. Sixth comes Help tab. If you need help, use the Help tab or check out the Power BI website for more resources and support. For common issues, you can visit the Power BI community forum or look up for help guides. This is the large area in the middle, your report canvas. This is where you'll design and arrange your visualizations like charts and graphs. Right at the report canvas, you can see something called as data pane. Here, you'll find the data once it is loaded into the Power BI desktop. You can drag these fields onto the report canvas to start building your visuals. We also have another pane called visualization pane that lets you choose and customize different types of charts and visuals for your data. This is known as filters pane. The filters pane help you apply filters to your visuals and also you can focus on specific data points. Now let's explore how to navigate the workspace views. Here we have a report view. This is your main workspace for designing reports. You will use report view to drag and drop visuals onto the canvas. This is called table view or data view. If you click here, you can see your data in the table format. It is useful to check and understand your raw data. This is known as model view. This view shows how your tables are related to each other. It helps you manage and visualize the connections in your data model. This is known as DAX query view. It gives you the ability to write, edit, and see the results of data analysis expressions or DAX queries on your model. Now, let's move on to managing our data. To bring data or import data into Power BI Desktop, click on Get Data in the Home tab. You can import various sources like Excel or online services. If we click on Transform Data in Home tab, we will be redirected to Power Query Editor. It is used for data transformation, mainly to clean and transform your data before using it on your reports. Let's now talk about creating and customizing visuals. To add different types of columns, drag the data columns from Data pane onto the report canvas. Use the options from Visualization pane onto the report canvas to create charts and other visuals. You can click on this and delete if you don't want that visual. Use the options in Visualization pane to adjust and customize how your visuals look. We can also apply filters to visuals to narrow down the data being displayed by. Also, we can add slicers to let users interactively filter and explore the data themselves. You can hide or unhide or collapse panes by clicking on the arrows present here. To save your report, click File and then Save to save your report on your local machine. You can share the dashboard or report, or also you can publish your report to the Power BI service to share it with others or collaborate with your team. This is all about today's lecture. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.